Hello everyone, and welcome to my new unboxing video, another one. Today we have a very unique package. This package means a lot to me. This is from my very good friend Raul. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it correct, but Raul from Holland, the Netherlands, and we agreed way back on making a deal where I made some hats for him, and he made some wooden toys from Toy Story for me. And also he had some items I bought from him, and he gave me so many gifts and little things he didn't need it anymore, and things he thought he wanted to give to me, and even things I don't know about is in this box. So I'm very excited. There's many items in this box I don't have in my collection, and it's not often I get so many items I don't have in one go. So and also many of these things is custom handmade things from my friend and also other people in our community on Instagram, and I will name the names of the persons I know who made the stuff, and then yeah, we can take it from there. I will now open this, and we can talk when I have opened it again. Let's go. So here we are. The package is open. The seal has been. Oh my god, there's so much here. Wow. I'm not even sure where to begin. I think I will open these two things. I'm not sure what this is, so I will just open this with you, and then I will take everything out and place, and then we can talk again about what I have got. This says, "Hey bro, I hope you..." I'm not sure what that says, but enjoy this unboxing. And I have absolutely no idea what this is. It's not something I paid for or something he showed me. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh man, this is so cool. God damn. So this is a bunch of very cool art designs and funny images with old stuff, Buzz Lightyear, and some sketches from, yeah, I'm not sure where all. Oh, we have Al. Oh my god, so many funny images. This roundup. Wow, that's so cool, bro. Thank you so much, man. I didn't know about these. It's cards to send to people. Oh my god, that's so cool. I love this. Thank you so much, bro. Really. And we have another mystery thing. Open me, it's better. Okay, I'm not sure what this is, but we'll try to open it. Let's see what's happening. Okay. This is the compartment for some of the battery compartment for some of the one of the items in this box. I see now. Yeah, I will not say any more about this. You will see when I package it all out, and then you will know what this is for. So yeah, I'll say enjoy, and we will speed up the process where I get all these things out of this box. So stay tuned, and we will talk after. Let's go. Come on. Look at this. That's so fucking cool, man. This is custom handmade wooden toys from my friend Raul on Instagram. I will show his name under here, so if you want this, you can message him and he can make it for you. This is so cool. I've not seen very many with these types of custom toys in 3. It's made from, I'm not sure, I think this is from Toy Story 3 in the kindergarten, and there is also another color here I will show after. There is from a short movie. I mean, I'm not sure because this is not something you see very much. It's very limited, and I really like them. So yeah, we keep moving on. Yeah, here we have the other one. Another color, and the wheels also from another movie. It's not the same movie as the one is from, the purple or the bluish. Man, that's so cool, man. I really love this. Keep going. Here we have the last animal, the duck. Come on, this is so cool. It has these funny flappy feet, just like in the movie, exactly like in the movie. Again, I'm not completely sure where this is represented in the movie, but it is there somewhere. Either in the movie or in some of the short movies. Yeah, it's embarrassing. I don't know it because yeah, I should know, but I can't remember it. No, but man, it's so nicely made. Yeah, I'm not sure what to say. I love it. We will keep going and open more packages. Let's go. Actually, I was wrong before I said it was the last wooden toy. It was not true. I forgot all about this little McQueen car. Come on, man. It's so cool. Oh my god, I love it. This I know for a fact is from Toy Story 3 in the kindergarten. It is on the ground on some point when all the toys are mingling. Yeah, this is so cool. I love this. Again, thank you so much, bro. Even my hat is nice and it takes some time to make. I will say this was a very nice trade for me to get all these wooden toys for the hats. Come on. These are much more delicate to make and take some time, very much time to cut all this out in wood. Oh my god. I love it. Thank you so much, bro. So I still have things to open, so I'll keep going and yeah, watch out. Hoo-wee. I think that's everything. Now I'm gonna place all this on my shelf over here and then we're gonna talk about what I got. Let's go. Come on. Look at all these things, man. Wow. I'm lost for words. First we have the figures handmade in tree from my friend Raul Students on Instagram. I will show his name here so you can find him, and you can send him a message if you want him to make you some of these absolutely stunning animals. Come on! This is so freaking cool. The two dinos, and they even are able to drive and move. It's not like they're still. And the duck with the funny leather flappy feet. It's so cool. And the McQueen car. These 4 items was what we agreed on to switch over. I made the hats, he made these for me, but I mean, this is incredible. I'm so happy. All the other stuff beside from this incredible nice robot from Toy Story 1, which I'm absolutely excited to have in my collection finally. And with lights and sound.
Hello, Buzz. How are you today? Cheer up.
Oh my god, come on. I paid for that robot and I got it for a very, very good price, so I could not stand back. Everything else you see here, beside for the animals which I switched over, is pure goodness from my friend Raul. He has an incredible collection. If you don't know him, go check it out. So he has so much stuff. He was so friendly. He actually gifted me this Barbie and Ken with sunbathing station here to use so Ken can sunbathe. This is seen in Toy Story 3 very shortly. Also this cloth and sunglasses, and oh my god, all these things he sent with these incredible figures as a gift to me. Also over here we have some items he thought he wanted to give me because he's such a nice guy. This is seen in Toy Story also. It's so cute. And he even painted it green to match the movie, because it was not green from the start. This is movie accurate. I can't say how much I appreciate it, brother. Really, really. Then he had some spare parts of a Buzz Lightyear I could use for a project I'm working on right now. So I'm very, very happy for these spare parts, because I need them, because I fucked up some parts. It's a part of the journey. Sometimes you fuck up, sometimes it go well. You just have to take it like it is and learn from it. Then he made this very, very nice shoehorn with Woody's Roundup, and spelled Woody in this thread of some sort. Oh my god, it's so cool. Obviously this needs to be glued on properly because it's not sticking to it right now, but that's the smallest problem. Then we have all the incredible nice cards I got. I love these cards, really, really, really nice. Then we have this funny rubber hand, which also is represented in one of the movies. Help me in the comments if you remember. My brain is a fog right now. I can't remember it, sorry. Then we have this very cool mask, or I'm not sure what to call it. It's from Toy Story 3. I mean, it's the one that Buzz Lightyear gets over the head. Again, I could be wrong. Yeah, it's not too good with all these things I'm not sure about. I have to work on it. Sorry guys, but I'm pretty sure this is from Toy Story 3, where Buzz gets over the head in the kindergarten. It's handmade of my friend Raul. Again, oh my god, so cool, bro. I can't say enough. And then this is probably the most unique thing he presented me with as a gift. It's original plate of the Woody's Roundup from Toy Story 2. And it is the original one with the box under here. Come on. I've always wanted these. And now I have one of them. Then I just need the other ones, but oh my god. A free voice box for a collection jersey. Don't say no. Thank you very much, bro. Yeah, this is beyond everything. Man. I'm so happy with all these things, bro. Yeah. Again, sorry for the overhyped expressions from me, but I'm just so happy. Yeah, I really am. So yeah, again, if you want these animals, you can send me a message on Instagram, and I will show his name under here on his Instagram, so you can find him. And yeah, this was my unboxing of all these incredible cool things. Man, oh man, oh man.
Hello, Sheriff.
Oh my god. This is from Tan, Toy Story Lover on Instagram, sorry. Also a guy who makes some incredible stuff. Again, I bought it from my friend Raul because he had two and he wanted to sell one, and I had to get it. Yeah. Again, thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate all the love and that you are interested in my videos. Here's a short view of my collection right now. It's growing day by day, week by week, and I'm so excited about this hobby. I really love the community and all the nice people. Again, thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.
Woody's Roundup.